Yeah, hey guys. So today let's talk about HTML paragraph. So a paragraph always starts on a new line and is usually a block of text. So we're gonna go through this paragraph stuff, and then after that we're gonna go also to AI to give us more context around the HTML paragraph. So the HTML paragraph element define a paragraph. A paragraph always starts on a new line, and browser automatically adds some white space. Imagine before and after a paragraph. You can see it here. You can see, and then HTML display. You cannot be sure how HTML will be displayed. Large or small screen or resize window will create different result. With HTML, you cannot change the display by adding extra spaces or extra line in your HTML code. The browser will automatically remove any extra spaces line when the page is displayed, as they're showing here. So we're gonna test it. We have it like this, as you can see there. So you can see, you can do some demo here. You can see it's still the same. So, and then HTML horizontal rules. The horizontal rule, HR, tag define a thematic break in HTML page and is most often displayed as a horizontal rule. The HR element is used to separate content or define a change in a HTML page. So when you have something like that, you put your href. So we're gonna check it nicely so that you can see. This is the HR horizontal line. So have it there. Let's say we want to add another one on top of there, as you can see here. Yeah. So this is the way that you use the horizontal line. So HTML line breaks. This is line break. As you can see, we have line break there. The more you edit, the more break is gonna add. You can see the more line is gonna add. This is the way that we use that. And then we have the point problem. This problem will display on a single line, as you can see. So we have it like this, even though we did put like that, but you can see they always display in a single line. So if you're gonna have it, if you want it to display like this here, so you can put break. You can see there, break. Beautiful. So yeah, that's, and then we have solution, the HTML pre-element tag. The HTML pre-element define pre-formatted text. The text inside the pre-element is displayed in a fixed width font, usually Courier, and then it preserves both space and line breaks, as you can see here. So we're gonna test it out. You can see that it preserves that. So the pre-tag preserves both space and line breaks. Yeah, so instead of using like this, you can use pre to do the action, and then you can see the font size. The font can also change. So W3Schools take reference content, additional information about HTML element and the attributes. As you can see, define a paragraph, HR break, and then pre, and then that's it. So here where you can watch the video and then learn more about it. So let's go now to the AIs so that you can learn more about HTML paragraphs in the different ways. What can a beginner learn about HTML paragraph? So we're gonna ask the same question in the meantime to Claudia. Okay, so DeepSeek seems like it was done. We're gonna try again and see if the server is still on. And then as you can see, Claudia, what Claudia did give us, let me explain paragraph in a beginner friendly way. So in HTML, paragraph are created using the p tag. Then this the explaining there is giving us the structure. And then we have those elements. They're giving us, telling us that paragraph, inside paragraph, we have something called italic and then bold. We have something called strong and then em. So we're gonna copy this and then see how it looks like. How does it act? So let's remove this, paste. You see, so bold, and then we have strong, and then we have em. This is the em italic. So italic there, we have the em there. So we should see italic and em is kind of like similar. So strong and then bold also kind of like similar. So yeah, so that's why it's very nice to learn from the documentation that you're gonna get from the courses or W3 school and with what AI is giving. So line breaks, if you want to break a line within a paragraph. So we did talk about it. The common mistake to avoid: don't forget the closing tag. You must always close tag. Don't nest paragraph inside other paragraph. So which means that don't do this. Let's give an example. So we have this paragraph here, and then we want to add another paragraph there. Let's say inside, you see. So this, you don't have to do that because of when you do inspect element, but that's going to learn later on. It's really not nice. As you can see, it's already giving us already the right stuff. Sorry, let me just, I didn't close it, or yeah, close it already. So yeah, so as you can see, it's giving us the right stuff. So that's why you cannot do this one here. You cannot nest another paragraph inside paragraph. You cannot nest another em inside em. You cannot nest another strong inside strong. You see. So, but the only thing that you can nest each other is the div with div and you see. So you can have a div like this. That you can do that because this is the building block of the HTML parent. And then here we have child because this is the way that helps. It's gonna help you when you're building your blog. So we have that, and then inside, yeah. All right. So yeah. So that's an example. Yeah. DeepSeek is not working. So let's check now in the with ChatGPT. So an HTML paragraph is defined using the p tag. It represents a block of text that is typically separate from other blocks or text a bit of space, which helps in organizing content on the page. And then the purpose: paragraph structure the text content of your page, making it more readable and semantically meaningful for both users and search engines. So basic syntax and usage. Simple example: a paragraph is created by wrapping your text between an opening p tag and then a closing p tag. So as you can see there, and then they're giving us block level elements that's explaining there, and then the way that we use it with CSS if you want to style it. And then as we have here, and then best practice: use for text blocks only, reserve the paragraph tag for paragraph of text. For other types of content such image forms, use the appropriate HTML element. So avoid nesting paragraph. Do not nest one. Maintain readability. Use multiple paragraph to break up long section of the text, which improve readability and accessibility for users and assistive technologies. So here we have an example here that has been given. We copy it and then we go test it here. Yeah, we have our test there. And then in a nutshell, HTML paragraph are created with the p tag. They are block a level element that naturally separate text content. Use them to organize your content, enhancing readability, semantic clarity. So yeah. All right. So this is the way that you have to like learn about the paragraph. So yeah, so if you like this video, click a thumbs up and subscribe for more. We're gonna go to the next the next element for the HTML so that you can understand. So the next item. All right. Thank you so much.